I'd like to introduce Marcus Orzabal.
Howdy. As many of you have heard, there's an e-cig vaping epidemic that's sweeping across our nation. And right now, there isn't enough evidence to say which is less harmful, vaping or cigarettes. It's been known for years that exposure to tobacco products and nicotine during pregnancy can dramatically increase the risk of preterm birth, low birth weight, and sudden infant death syndrome. But no one really knows the health outcomes of pregnancies that have been exposed to e-cig vapors. Our research is focused on how e-cig vaping during pregnancy affects the development and health of both the mother and the child. Our initial studies have found that exposure to e-cig vapors during pregnancy can significantly inhibit fetal growth, leading to lower birth weights. We've also found that exposure to e-cig vapors can alter the blood flow in the mother and the fetus during pregnancy, and this may reduce the delivery of oxygen and nutrients needed for proper development. Tobacco product exposure has also been shown to restrict the development of the fetal lung and may be one of the main causes of infant respiratory distress syndrome. Now, I want everyone to take a deep breath, in and out. Every time we breathe, the tiny grape-like structures within our lungs are being filled with fresh air. These round, air-filled sacs are called alveoli, and they're the smallest functional unit of the lung. The size and shape of the alveoli maximize the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide to and from the blood. What we see in our preliminary data is that exposure to e-cig vapors during pregnancy may inhibit fetal lung development, resulting in larger than normal alveoli. Imagine the alveoli as an igloo with a single chimney and no door. Air is able to move into and out of the chimney to allow for ventilation. In a healthy lung, there are many small igloos, like a village. This increases surface area and allows for adequate ventilation of all igloos. In lungs that have been exposed to e-cig vapors during pregnancy, these igloos appear to be much larger. This makes it harder for the same amount of fresh air to circulate within the igloo. In the same way, newborn lungs exposed to e-cig vapors during pregnancy may not be able to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide efficiently due to the abnormalities in the structure of their alveoli. We are now trying to identify what physiological mechanisms are altered during lung development and how we might improve the health outcomes for those individuals exposed to e-cig vapors during pregnancy. That way we can all breathe a little easier. Thank you.